Here we come to the elevators at the Club Wyndham in New York City, New York. It's a Fujitec with destination dispatch.
It's sweet. It's red, but they said sweet though. Yeah. I haven't tried.
You know what? Let's take this one first. Let's take the low-rise elevators because I'm not going to wait around.
Because I'm from DC. That's why I usually see the cherry blossoms there. I didn't know it was that over here. Just for like a little.
This is the low-rise elevator right here. And interesting enough, they still have the button controls inside. These are Fujitec. That's a staff floor. We're not going to go down there. Let's go on the L, and we're going to switch to the high-rise elevators. Have a great day, y'all. Hopefully we don't get interrupted, especially since the morning. It shouldn't be busy. I fear we are going to get jammed up with countless of people. Here it is.
Yeah, come down. Take a right. One floor down, then we go up 33.
Going up all the way to the top.
33, right?
Yep.
Yeah, we.
Oh, it's going down first.
Yeah.
What floor are you going?
Right now.
Oh,
Have a good day.
oh, okay, cool. Thank you so much. All right, now these are the high-rise elevators. Yeah, because I selected up. And here we go. You know what? We're going to go ahead and get off. Finally, a non-stop ride. You going up?
Going down first. Go ahead.
Oh. Oh, you're going down. Oh, okay.
You can stay on.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome, sir.
Just press your floor after.
Yeah, because it's going the down direction and it has to. I know a lot. I'm very well familiar with elevators
Okay.
because I do research about them.
Oh, okay. Here you go. Have a good day.
Thank you, sir.
Bye. I'm going up.
I want to go back up to get out and get a view, and then I have to head back to my room soon.
Okay.
Anyways, I'm just an elevator enthusiast. If you're seeing this,
Okay.
yeah, not only am I a guest, but I like to go around town, recording videos, documenting elevators as part of my personal enjoyment.
Oh, okay. That's good.
But yeah, these are the elevators of the Club Wyndham Hotel on 45th Street in New York City, New York. These are Fujitec with a hybrid destination dispatch, which I've never seen before. Yet they still have this control panel, because usually when you select your floor from the outside, it doesn't have this big button panel. The elevator will automatically take you up.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome, sir.
Have a good day.
You too. Thanks. Oh, we're gonna get off at 33 and go get a view, and then switch to the other elevator car. I'm not gonna keep riding up and down on this thing, because with only 2 elevator cars in a 30-story building like this, I can't really jam up the elevator. As you can see, they still have the regular push button call stations, but a destination dispatch control station in the lobby. Anyways, I gotta get a look at this view. Look at this, y'all. Isn't this amazing? I mean, trip that. Wow. We're gonna go out into the lounge in a little bit. Yeah, I think we should. Hopefully I don't capture people.
Don't get me tonight. Oh, that's a big one.
Ah, much better. Oh, ooh, it's cold outside. We're not gonna stay out for long. Wow. All right, time to head back down, because it is freezing up here. I can't stay for too long. But this right here is the top floor view. Whew. It's freezing out there. Anyways, we're gonna head back down now.
You enjoying the hotel?
Yes, I am.
We should have more amenities. What, up here?
There's another view right here. We got the same elevator car. What floor are we going?
Yeah, I'm going to 3. Thank you.
Oh, thank you. You're so nice. So kind.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Ah, you're welcome.
Yeah, so I'm gonna see what's going on in the 3rd floor. Clean this up. In the basement. And I'm gonna chit chat with Cause I gotta ask Mom if she threw it on there.
Yeah,
I gotta ask her.
yeah.
I gotta ask her. Did you throw something on there? Like,
All right, y'all. Have a great rest of the morning.
Thank you too. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. And with that being said, oh, that was funny. Okay, well, that was one funny way to end the video. But anyways, there it goes. And that is going to be it.